last video I ended around here uh, कि इसके इसके numbers इससे match नहीं हो रहा. So now we are going to continue from here. अच्छा ये supply chain था. This is for Punjab. I said मुझे उसका KPK का इतना information और उसका SIM का नहीं मिला. So that I mapped it from here in Punjab Sugar Order 2021. फिर I went to contents of supply chain order. मतलब इसी को मैंने I try to sequence it in like from cane commissioner, deputy commissioner, go down, sale price of sugar, wholesale go down. मतलब उसके factor wise के this is how the duties are assigned to each group and how the supply chain has actually done. अच्छा फिर इसके बाद मतलब not in continuous but during this exploratory research you pick one point, you study on it, then it refers you to something else, so you go back to another sheet and you do the work. So अच्छा जब मैं इसका data I was finding the data, this is for Punjab, when I was finding the data for the SIM, so I could not find it, but what I did find, it was a agriculture website where they have mentioned the amount, the number of seeds required to produce sugarcane. So that I found. I'll share the website page with you. ये सारा बहुत सारा डिटेल था. So here at the very end, yeah, it's the upper sim, middle sim, lower sim. They have mentioned that they have seed rate. Okay, 80 months to 100 months per acre, or 30,000 or 40,000 birds, that means seeds per acre. That is the requirement. Now, what happened here? कि I want to find out कि per acre में if it requires uh, like 80 months, right? हम एक मन में 40 kg के equivalent होता है. So 80 months equivalent 3,200 kgs. अब 80 मन per acre seed जो birds requirement है, that means जो seed requirement है, that means 3,200 seeds, cane sticks. That means 32,000 seeds for sugar cane. And that occupies 80% area of the acre. अब 80% area एक acre में आप you can put 32,000 seeds जो कि equivalent है 3,200 cane sticks. एक cane stick equals 1 kg and they account for 3,200 kgs. So मैंने फिर calculation किया कि if what if for एक मन 80 मन पे तो उतना है, एक मन पे 40 kgs पे कितना होगा. So the seeds were 400 and that made 1% area of the acre. 1% area of the acre equivalent to 40.46 and in the decimals of square meter. मतलब almost 40 square meter के equivalent. Now 40 square के equivalent. Now if I tell you कि 120 गज का मकान, ठीक है, that is equivalent to 100 square meters. Now this is 40 square meters which is equivalent to 1% of acre. अब इसकी अगर स्पेशल मैपिंग करें to understand, So it means कि 1% of acre is equivalent to parking three sub SUVs और टू SUVs। थ्री तो बहुत थोड़ा है। जैसे एक घर में अगर एम्प्टी प्लॉट है 120 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स का, 120 गज, तो उसमें यू कैन उसके आधे से थोड़ा कम हिस्से में यू कैन पार्क थ्री SUVs और एटलीस्ट टू SUVs। उसकी स्पेशल मैपिंग के लिए आई did some putting some image over here. Now see, this is one to understand how much 120 square yards is equivalent to. So 120 yards is equivalent to this TV screen, ठीक है? अगर आप 1,800 1,080 TV screens of 18.4 inch, if you put it on 120 square yards, so that is going to make cover this much area, ठीक है? This is for the understanding purpose. इसी तरह if you अब 1% acre में you 400 sugar cane sticks हैं that we mapped from above, और जो one cane stick है that is like walking stick that you hold, so and that is equivalent to 1 meter. So 1 acre में you can have 400 sugar cane sticks, and this is the image of spatial mapping. Now here it is showing कि 40 square meters में you can make three SUV stand, or at least two. Three थोड़ा congested होके लेकिन two. So this is for the understanding purpose and nothing else. कि आप if you want to understand कि एक एकड़ का one, now why this is important, जब हम आगे ये estimates में बात करते हैं कि हम एक एकड़ या जब काउंट नहीं करते we take the estimates, तो how much of we miss in percentages and numbers. So now 1 acre equivalents to how much, and हमारे पास हेक्टेयर्स में बात होती है कि एक हेक्टेयर में 2.47 एकर्स होते हैं। अब 2.4 एक एकड़ में आपके पास वन एकड़ 1% ऑफ acre is equal to 40 square meters. अब एक एकड़ में जब आपके पास 2.471 हेक्टेयर में 2.471 acres हैं, now how that much is equivalent? That is equivalent to 99 homes. That is for the interpretation purposes, for spatial mapping, this is how much it equals. So जब हम let's say अगर हम कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे एक हेक्टेयर में आपके पास 99 homes और ऑलमोस्ट ऑफ 120 स्क्वायर यार्ड, यानी 120 गज के 99 घर हैं एक एकड़ में, दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू। सो व्हेन यू राइट द नंबर्स इन एस्टिमेट्स लाइक दिस कि आपने 5,230,000 million metric tons you have produced the sugar cane, right? So and in how much area, and they'll tell you the estimated acres, hectares. I'll show you. See, here you come and you see this is the sugarcane in hectares, okay? 1,149,929. Now, when you miss even one from here, like you write uh, 1,149,928, इसको 29 नहीं पढ़ा, आपने पढ़ा इसको 28, you missed one, तो वो एक वन दैट इज इक्वलेंट टू 99 homes, that is equivalent to 120 square yards. So that much you miss. अगर आप इसको लिखते हैं, the sugarcane growing area is equivalent to 1.1 million hectares. So you miss the 49,929 remaining hectares, and that is a lot of area and a lot of sugarcane, a lot of sugar made. So that is how much you miss when you write in estimates. So this was the point of calculating in detail all this. This is getting slower. So my this was the reason I went into the minor details of how much we miss when we write in estimates. अच्छा ये फिर I went पर एरिया फ्रॉम हेक्टेयर पर रूट्स पे कितना है, एक हेक्टेयर में कितने रूट्स हैं, तो कितने पर्चेज हैं, स्क्वायर यार्ड, स्क्वायर मीटर्स एंड स्क्वायर फीट. अच्छा this is just for the understanding कि this is I'll explain every number in here कि how I came to the equivalency and all that. So this is the Marla's equivalency क्योंकि अच्छा now what happened is when I explored further I found out कि for every province there is a different unit of measurement. ठीक है, पंजाब में you use canal and marla, in Sindh you use घंटा and jareeb, and in Khyber KPK you use acre, canal, marla, and in Balochistan you use acre, hectare, and jareeb. Now you don't use square yards or square meters. Those are the you can say universal and the means standard units हैं. ये units भी acceptable हैं, but when you try to convert them, so decimal points में बहुत सारा you can say mishap हो जाता है. इस you miss a lot of the details, a lot of the numbers, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा impact create करते हैं आपके जो पैसाज हैं. Even that when you multiply with millions of billions of uh, units, वो आपके billions of rupees में आपको losses देते हैं. Now see here, यहाँ पे I've tried to find the equivalent के एक एकड़ में कितना घंटा is equivalent, that is equivalent to 4 घंटास in 1 acre. In square meter 1 घंटा is equals to 101 square meters. अच्छा फिर घंटा equivalency with respect to square yards, that is 121. Square feet में इतना. Same goes for the मरला. You find के एक मरला में एक एकड़ में कितना मरलाज होते हैं. So there are 60 marlas in 1 acre. Just to grasp the understanding when you do it for the Punjab. So and how did you find it? You multiply how many square feet are equivalent to 1 acre, and then you find out square feet equivalent to 1 marla. When you put them both in similar numbers, in equivalent numbers, and then you find okay, how many marlas are going to be in 1 acre, that means 160. So 160 marlas equivalent to 1 acre. Same goes for canals. 1 acre equals to 8 canal. So and in marlas that's going to be equivalent to 60, 160. So how it came to be? It's going to be 60, yes. Okay, so I'll explain all this further in other videos where I'll try to explain every number. अच्छा फिर यहाँ पे यूनिट्स में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. हम कहीं मीटर यूज़ करते हैं, कहीं स्क्वायर मीटर, कहीं फुट. So meter is for linear. ये भी I'll explain it then further. This is the explanatory video just. अच्छा here we have done this. फिर I came across agriculture policy unit. वहाँ पे बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम था. I read the unit, I tried to extract the data. This I'll explain later कि what this is about, कि ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे. अच्छा फिर I went to मतलब I'm not going in linear method, I'm just going in the sheet wise method, the way I've gathered the data. Then I went to find the equivalency, the numbers, ताकि सही analysis हो, to find कि PSMA has the correct data, because of course they would be having correct data, but it's good to reconcile with another source, because उनके अपने डेटा में भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम था. They have inconsistencies within their own data. But what I found is that PSMA ka data probably you'll get close to accurate, because that is the main source of sugar mills providing their data to PSMA, Pakistan Sugar Mill Association. You don't get it from everyone gets from them, or from their units ahead, but not from anyone else. So यहाँ पे you went on to this website. It's taking time to load. Okay, you get here, you find the sugar. Just to tell you how I got to this data, PSG publications, and you get the data here for sugar and for. अच्छा ये जो है, this is the international data. यहाँ से I went to reconcile कि what's with the Pakistan and the other. I began to pick up the data from 2015. ये सारा literature details है, but I I captured details here with respect to Pakistan, जो भी पाकिस्तान से, and then I collected details from here, the production and the consumption जो कि पाकिस्तान से internationally report हुआ है. So here I found Pakistan here, and here we got the details. ये आपको मिल गया May and November का. अच्छा, thing here is that you take two datas. December is your calendar year, and then September, October is your marketing year. So this is loading, this is getting the data loaded. अच्छा, this is report of May, जो कि उन्होंने अक्टूबर में ली, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे when we take the data, we are going to take the data of 2014 and 2015. That is the marketing year. अच्छा, ये we picked here. अब यहाँ पे they have 5,230. अच्छा, this is metric tons. Metric tons means इस metric ton की value को when you multiply with 1,000 you get billions of kg, right? So this is the total production value that you got. This is the production value, ठीक है. फिर you further इसमें आपका human consumption कितना था 2014 and 2015 में, ये आपका था 4,300. अच्छा, ये रहा. So यहाँ पे we have put the data here. अब ये data है, this is 5,230,000 million metric tons. When you multiply it with 1,000 kgs, it becomes 5,230,000 millions, right? But this data, when you reconcile with PSMA in 2015, the production data, sugar production. Yeah, it becomes 5,139,566. Now, see, sorry, wait. I Do you see the difference here? This is a cane production in tons, and here